Take a ride in the 2014 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.